Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and highly anticipated topics in the drone community, the DJI Neo FPV drone. Rumors are swirling, leaks are pouring in, and the excitement is palpable. Whether you're a seasoned FPV drone pilot or someone curious about the latest in drone tech, the DJI Neo promises to be a game changer in the micro FPV drone market. In this detailed exploration, we'll take a close look at everything we know so far about the DJI Neo, dissect the leaks, speculate on its potential features, and discuss how this tiny yet powerful drone might reshape the landscape of aerial photography, videography, and FPV flying. The DJI Neo is rumored to be DJI's latest innovation in the world of micro FPV drones. Designed to be a compact powerhouse, the Neo aims to offer a blend of portability, advanced features, and user-friendly controls that appeal to both beginners and seasoned FPV pilots. Micro FPV drones are becoming increasingly popular due to their compact size, ease of use, and ability to capture stunning aerial footage. Unlike larger drones, which can be cumbersome and require more space to operate, micro FPV drones like the DJI Neo are designed for quick deployment and agile flight, making them ideal for a variety of applications, from casual flying to professional content creation. One of the most talked about aspects of the DJI Neo is its design. Leaks suggest that the Neo will feature a compact, pocket-sized form factor, reminiscent of a scaled-down version of DJI's Avata drone. This design choice points to a drone that is highly portable, making it easy to carry around and deploy in various environments. The camera is arguably one of the most critical components of any drone, and the DJI Neo is expected to deliver in this department. Leaks suggest that the Neo will come equipped with a camera capable of shooting 4K video and capturing 12 megapixel stills. When it comes to flight performance, the DJI Neo is rumored to be a nimble and agile drone, capable of impressive speeds and quick maneuvers. Battery life is always a critical factor in drone performance, and the DJI Neo is rumored to offer around 18 minutes of flight time on a single charge. While this might be sufficient for casual users, more demanding pilots may find it necessary to carry extra batteries to extend their flight sessions. DJI is known for making drones that are easy to fly, even for beginners. The Neo is expected to continue this tradition, with user-friendly features that make it accessible to those new to FPV flying. This could include features like one-touch takeoff and landing, return-to-home functionality, and intelligent flight modes that simplify the flying experience. The Neo is rumored to be capable of shooting 4K video and capturing 12 megapixel stills. Battery life is always a critical consideration when it comes to drones, and the DJI Neo is no exception. While leaks suggest a flight time of around 18 minutes, this could vary depending on how the drone is used and the environmental conditions. The Neo's battery capacity is expected to be on par with other micro FPV drones, providing enough power for a decent flight time. Charging options and times will also play a role in the Neo's overall usability. Fast charging capabilities could reduce downtime between flights, allowing pilots to get back in the air more quickly. DJI is known for offering a wide range of accessories for its drones, and the Neo is likely to be no different. From propeller guards to carrying cases, these accessories can enhance the drone's usability and expand its potential applications. As for the release date, DJI typically follows a pattern of releasing new products in the spring or fall. If the Neo is set to launch in 2024, we can expect an official announcement in the coming months, with availability shortly thereafter. Keep an eye on DJI's official channels and authorized retailers for the latest updates. The DJI Neo FPV drone is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. With its compact size, advanced features, and focus on providing an immersive FPV experience, the Neo has the potential to revolutionize the micro-drone market. While there are still many unknowns, the leaks and speculations suggest that the Neo could be a game changer for both FPV enthusiasts and casual users alike. As we await the official announcement, there's no doubt that the DJI Neo has captured the imagination of the drone community. Whether you're looking for a new tool for capturing stunning aerial footage or simply want to experience the thrill of FPV flying, the Neo could be the drone that takes your adventures to new heights. Be sure to subscribe to Tech Titan Reviews for more updates on the DJI Neo and other exciting tech developments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.